Finish the stories by filling in the blanks with the numbers that make sense. So question 1 says there are more stingrays than sharks in the aquarium. If there are 12 sharks, so let's cross out 12 since we already used it. And these cards, whoa, oops, hold on. And these cards, we can only use them once. So let's go ahead and cross that out. So we're going to cross out 12. And now it's saying there are more stingrays than sharks, which means it cannot be 3. This next value right here, this next value right here can't be 3 because 3 is less than 12. But there are more stingrays than sharks, so it has to be 15. So let's write 15 here. And next, now we know there was only one number left, so it has to be 3. There are 3 more stingrays than sharks in the aquarium, but why? Well, that's because we're trying to find the difference between the sharks and the stingrays. So we're gonna set it up by doing 15 minus 12, which equals 3, because there are 3 more stingrays than sharks at the aquarium. Okay, next question. It's basically the same thing, but we'll just go over it anyways. Scott has 4 more cats than Ben. Scott has 11 cats, and he has 4 more than Ben. So in order to find Ben's, we have to subtract 4 from 11, which equals 7. So we cross off 11 since we already used it. And then we cross off 7 now. And so Ben has 7 cats because that's what we got when we minused 4, because Scott has 4 more. We can double check this by adding 4 here and seeing if it's the same value as 11, because if Scott has 4 more than Ben, that would mean adding 4 to Ben's number would equal 11. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. So that checks out. 11 checks out, so that would be correct. We can just double check our work that way if you would like. Now, the next question says Scott and Ben have blank cats in all. So now it's trying to find the total cats of Scott and Ben. So let's add 11 plus 7. What does that equal? It equals 17. So it equals 18. 11 plus 7 equals 18. So our final answer would be 18. And we can see that the card here would be 18, so we can take that off. Sorry, I don't know why I said 17. Mistake. Okay. Now let's move on to the next page. It's asking us to find the sums and differences. Okay, so we're going to need to regroup in this, but here on the first question, it's 585 minus 269. So what we're going to do is work in rows, which means that we're going to just focus in this box first. So what is 5 minus 9? Oh wait, we can't subtract 5 from 9. And we can't subtract 9 from 5 because 5 is less than 9. So remember, there can't be a smaller value, a smaller number on top of the bottom number. So what we're going to do to fix this is we're going to replace this 5 with a 15. So we're just adding a tenths place. So if we do that, we're taking a 10 from 8, which means that we have to subtract 8 by 1 because we took 1 from it, so that would equal 7. So now, sorry, it's a little hard to, okay. So now we have a bigger number on top of here. So what is 15 minus 9? The answer is 6. And now we can also see that this is also greater than 7. So what is 6? So what is 7 minus 6? 1. And then what's 5 minus 2? 3. So our entire answer at the end would be 316. Let's move on to the next one. The question's asking saying that there are what the question's asking what 274 plus 234 is. So what we want to do again is work in rows. So what's 4 plus 4? 8. And what is 7 plus 3? 10. Oh wait, we can't write it like that. So what we have to do is take this one and bring it to the top of the next next row of where we are working. So instead of writing 10 here, which we can't do because remember, we're all writing in one row. So what we're going to do instead is put this 0 here and put this 1 here because that's a 10. And then now we're going to add these. So what's 2 plus 2? 4. Now plus 1 because up here, remember. And that's 5. So our final answer would be, our final answer would be 508. So knowing this, it should be, it should help you to do the rest of these problems because they're all pretty much the same thing as the first ones. And then so are these. These are all very similar to all the questions throughout this page, the first page and the second page. And then this is kind of just like checkup. It's reviewing what we did here. So thank you.